Have you ever wondered if just 5 ETFs could generate around $8,000 every single month without selling a single share? It sounds impossible, right? Most investors think the secret is finding one ultra-high-yield ETF, but that's actually where many people make their biggest mistake. The real strategy isn't chasing the highest yield, it's building a system where multiple income streams work together. Imagine a portfolio that earns cash flow from covered calls, options strategies, credit spreads, small cap opportunities, and energy infrastructure, all combined into one powerful income machine. Instead of depending on a single ETF, each one plays a different role, making the overall portfolio stronger in different market conditions. Under favorable conditions, this approach could produce a blended yield of around 12% to 13%, which means an investment of roughly $730,000 to $800,000 could potentially target about $96,000 per year, or nearly $8,000 every month in passive income. Of course, these yields are never guaranteed and can rise or fall with the market, which is exactly why diversification is so important. Smart investors don't chase the biggest numbers. They build portfolios that can survive both bull and bear markets. And in this video, I'll reveal the 5 ETFs that make this strategy possible, explain why each one is included, and show you how they work together to create a more reliable stream of passive income. Stay with me, because the final ETF might be the one that surprises you the most.